Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP35 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. Let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen like here, and all we have to do is to enter the settings. You can find them in this upper panel. So let's tap on the settings and then enter languages. They should be at the top. So here we've got the list of all applied languages. We've got only English, so let's change it. Let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So of course you can scroll and find, or you can simply enter the name of the specific language you'd like to use and then simply tap on it. Right here you've got keyboard types, so basically the amount of them depends on the specific language. Sometimes you will have only one, and sometimes even up to 7 or 10 different keyboard layouts. So I will choose this one, so make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked like here, and then tap on Done. And as you can see, we've got this applied to this list. And before I'll show you how to remove the language, so you will leave only the one you want. I'd like to also show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. Fortunately, right now you've got the hint what to do. So we've got the globe icon, thanks to which we can change the keyboard layout. As you can see, what is more, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So right now, to remove the language, simply enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and now tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so this pencil icon. Now mark the language you want to remove and tap on the trash bin icon, and as you can see, we've got only English left, or any other language, of course, of your choice. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.